Growing up with a terminally ill heart disease since the age of 4 was agonizing. As I would go through these episodes, I would make my heart race to 240 beats per minute and stop. In a cycle of uncertainty, as we didn't know what caused it or how long they would last. Knowing that there was no cure made the pain unbearable. Had it not been for the love that helped me endure, as my grandmother would hold my hands for days and weeks at a time, she would tell me, "Respira, mamita linda. Respira. Breathe, my darling. Breathe." It's quite miraculous how her love will sustain me during times through such intense pain and agony. I wouldn't know what I would do. And as we went through, my mother would just be there to sustain me, the love, to hope again that God would provide a way and provide relief. When I had my second heart attack, my mom tells me that although they rushed me to the hospital from our house in the jungle in Venezuela, when we arrived, there were no vitals. And in spite of the doctor's best efforts, my body was already growing cold. I was declared dead. And as she came to terms with this, she cried out to the Lord, "Thank you for giving her to me for these 10 years. Please help me live without her." Miraculously, I was awakened. And as they received me back to life, my parents, filled with faith, made a decision to come to the United States, leaving everything they knew behind in search for a cure. When we arrived here, the doctors were in shock that I had made it past the 6 months that I had been given. Much more that I would endure the next 5 years through failed drugs and failed interventions. And as I waited to be in the heart transplant list that would give me 10 more years, an opportunity came for a never-been-done high-risk procedure. In faith, my parents said yes. In 1992, my doctors called it a medical miracle, a breakthrough in heart disease. And I was the first one of thousands more that would be saved through a heart ablation in the same hospital that years later treated John Maxwell for his heart attack with an innovative procedure. Follow faith, follow love. Do all you can do, and God will do all you cannot do.
Well done. That's perfect. Well done. Look for the camera. Yeah, you hold this. Good job. Thank you. Hanna Bauer, thank you.